all. This is Eileen and from Beer Up, and I just have a quick job I want to show you that I found. So, are you someone that loves to cook? Well, I have a job for you. Well, Modsquad is hiring for a remote customer support person, and it pays between $9 and $11 an hour. So, what you're gonna do, you're gonna join a project where it's a high-profile meal subscription service, and their client is a meal subscription service that makes cooking fun and easy. So they provide their customers with all the ingredients for the week. And so what you're gonna do is help members who have issues or questions via a chat or email. So it's not a phone job. So the ideal person they're looking for, they have to be extremely empathetic. They have to believe the customer is always right and has a strong written and verbal communication skills because you're going to be talking on email and chat. Is able to quickly learn new information and put it into action. And then there's a bonus if you have Shopify experience. So you're going to apply on my website, but I'm going to take you to the Mob Squad just to make sure that you know all the requirements before you apply. And so here is the Mod Squad website for the position I was referring to. So, and then you want to make sure that you have the hours of work of Monday through Sunday, 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And they were looking for someone that can work at least 20 hours per week, including 16 hours over the weekend. So, weekend is considered Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So the ticket is only so if you work a ticket only shift, which is $9 an hour, but if you work the shack shift, it's 11.50 an hour. So you want to click the apply. So here you want to make sure that you meet all the requirements. It's this is information about the Mob Squad, and here you just click to apply for that job. Okay, and it'll tell you attach your resume and fill out basic information. Um, and to get to this website, it's easier if you go to my website, which is going to be veerup.com, and you would click on work from home job and just click on the Mob Squad. And I also have a list of other jobs if you're interested in working from home. You can click on there and it will take you to the website to apply. And I don't get any money from this. It's not a affiliate link or anything like that. Um, but if you are someone that's been applying for jobs and you haven't had a lot of luck, I will be happy to look at your resume. So simply what you would do is click on home and go down to the bottom and I will give a free consultation and you can just book an appointment here and it says services and just click on there and it's a potential client and you do this free call and you can send me your resume and I would definitely be able to help you on that level. But again, if you want to just apply for a job, click on here and it's updated every Friday. And sometimes, I update it before Friday if I find a job that really needs to get out. And again, thank you so much for watching and check back every Friday.